right, let's do this problem of the day together. There are 3 pages in the first book Connor wrote, 3 pages, 5 pages in his second book, and 7 pages in his third book. If the pattern continues, how many pages will be in his 6th book that he writes? All right, so this is basically just a pattern problem. So what we're going to do is go ahead and let's write out the books. So he wrote, let's say we're working with 6 books. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. So those are his 6 books, and we said in his first book, he wrote 3 pages, 3. And in his second book, he wrote 5 pages. His third book, he wrote 7 pages. And this is the 6th book. So let's go ahead and finish the pattern. This pattern is doing what? Adding 2. So 7, the next book would have 9, the next one after that would have 11, and what would the 6th book have, everyone? Get ready. Yes, 13 pages. Good job.